Namaskar dear children. Today we are going to study Paryayavachi Shabd. So all of you take your rough book and write Paryayavachi Shabd. Okay? What is Paryayavachi Shabd? Paryayavachi Shabd means synonyms. In English we call similar meanings or synonyms. Paryayavachi Shabd. Definition of पर्यायवाची शब्द is समान अर्थ रखने वाले शब्दों को समानार्थी या पर्यायवाची शब्द कहते हैं। समान अर्थ वाले शब्दों को समान अर्थ वाले सिमिलर मीनिंग्स समान अर्थ वाले शब्दों को If it is a shabd, we call samanarthi shabd. More than one similar meanings, we call as paryayavachi shabd. Okay, children. Now we are going to write paryayavachi shabd. Okay. Write the heading paryayavachi shabd. पर्यायवाची शब्द synonyms. What is पर्यायवाची शब्द? समान अर्थों वाले शब्दों को समान अर्थ वाले शब्दों को पर्यायवाची शब्द कहते हैं। समान सिमिलर अर्थ वाले मीनिंगफुल सेम मीनिंग्स वाले वर्ड्स को पर्यायवाची शब्द कहते हैं। ओके, नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू राइट डाउन फर्स्ट वन। First one is komal. Komal means soft. What is the meaning of komal? Soft. Mulayam. 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 Naram. मुलायम नरम मृदु या मृदुल सॉफ्ट मृदु या मृदुल also we can say. Okay, second one komal means soft mulayam soft naram soft mridu ya mridul soft. Next is Ganga. Next word is Ganga. गंगा का दूसरा मीनिंग है, दूसरा नाम है, नॉट मीनिंग, सेम मीनिंग, नेम इज डिफरेंट. भगीरथी. दिस वर्ड वी ऑलरेडी स्टडीड. भगीरथी. In Bhagirath's chapter we studied this. Bhagirathi means Ganga. Or we can say Devanadi. देवों की पुण्य नदी है गंगा. भगीरथी और देवनदी. ओके, the third word is घर. घर. So you all know Ganga. Ganga means Ganges or Ganga river. Bhagirathi, Devanadi. Next is Ghar. Ghar means house. Bhavan. Bhavan. Griha. Bhavan or Griha. Bhavan, Griha. आलय, that is why we say Vidyalay, the house from where we get knowledge. We call Vidyalay. जहाँ से हमें विद्या प्राप्त होती है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? विद्यालय. विद्यालय स्कूल. आलय मीन्स घर. विद्या का आलय विद्यालय. विद्या का घर विद्यालय. फोर्थ, तालाब. तालाब. This word also you have studied. Talab means pond. Another meaning is sarovar. Sarovar. Sarovar and tal. Sarovar, tal. Talab. Talab, sarovar, tal. Okay, now fifth one. Dhan. Dhan. Daulat. Daulat. Dhan means wealth. Daulat means wealth. Daulat. Sampati. Sampati means wealth. Sampati means wealth. Sixth, नेत्र. नेत्र का अर्थ है आंख. आंख. नेत्र मीन्स आंख. नयन. आंख, नयन, or we can say lochan. Netra means eye, aankh, nayan, lochan. Okay. Seventh, फूल. This you all know. फूल का पर्याय है कुसुम. कुसुम, सुमन, पुष्प. So children, see once again. कोमल, मुलायम, नरम और मृदु. गंगा, भगीरथी, देव नदी. घर, भवन, गृह. How to pronounce this word? R की मात्रा is here. When you note it down in your notebook, don't make this R ki matra, U ki matra, okay? So, while writing, while putting this sign, be careful. This is R chin. U means left hand side. Right hand side, R. Gr, gri, grih, grih. Okay? Graha means star. That is one chin like this. We call as graha. This is grih, gri, grih. Okay? Alay. Talab means pond. Sarovar, tal. Dhan means wealth. Daulat, wealth. Sampati means wealth. Next is Netra. Netra means eye, aankh, eye, nayan, eye. Okay. Now Phool. Phool means flower. Kusum, Suman, Pushp. Kusum, Suman, Pushp. Now next. Now eighth one. Rat. Rat means night. We write Nisha, Nisha, Rajani. Nisha, Rajani. Nisha, Rajani, Ratri. Ninth one. Sena. Sena means army. Sena means army. Or you can say force. That is Air Force, Navy and Army. These three we call as Sena. Vayu Sena, Jal Sena, Thal Sena and Vayu Sena. Okay. Sena means Dal. Or you can say Fauji. 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 Okay. Dal Fauji. Not Fauji, sorry. Fauj. Dal Fauj. Surya. This all of you know. Surya. Surya means Ravi Dinakar. Ravi Dinakar. You can write Dinakar, Surya, Suraj, Ravi, Dinakar, Prabhakar, Bhaskar. Many names are there for Surya. Okay, children. Ravi, Dinakar, Divakar, Suraj. You can write. Now, the 11th one, Sona. Sona. Sona means gold. Sona means gold. Kanak. Swarna. Kanchan. Kanak, Swarna, Kanchan means gold. The 12th one, Ishwar. Ishwar means God. Ishwar. Ishwar, Bhagwan, भगवान परमात्मा परमात्मा भगवान परमात्मा. Next, the 13th one is Jhanda. Jhanda. This also, children, when you pronounce this word, how you pronounce I know, I will tell you. When I say to read this word, you will say Chanda. Chanda. It is not Chanda. It is Jh. Jhanda. Cha, cha, ja, jha, nya. Jh. Jh. Jhanda. Not Janda. Not Chanda. Not Chanda. This is Jhanda. Jhanda. Jhanda means flag. Jhanda means flag. Pataka. Dhwaj. Pataka. Dhwaj. Next is Nadi. Nadi. Sarita. Sarita. Tattini. Sarita. Tattini. Means river. Tat means banks. Means river which have banks. So we call this as Tattini. Sarita. Tattini. River. 15th one. Bandar. Bandar. Vanar. Vanar. Markat. Vanar. Markat. Vanar. Markat. So children, Raat, Nisha, Rajani. Sena, Dal, Fauj. Surya, Ravi, Dinkar, Suraj. Sona, Kanak, Swarna, Kanchan. Ishwar, Bhagavan, Paramatma. Jhanda, Pataka, Dhwaj. Nadi, Sarita, Tattini. Bandar, Vanar, Markat. Okay. See children, do one thing. I told earlier that in the beginning, you write in the rough book. No, you have to write this in your notebook. Okay, back side of the notebook. You write there. And these words you have to write three times in your rough book. All the words you have to write 3 times. Okay, children. Now next is Mitra. The 16th one is Mitra. Mitra means friend. Mitra, Sakha, Dost. Vriksh, Taru, Ped. Stri, Mahila, Aurat. Next 19th one is Swarg. Devalok, Amarpuri. Swarg means heaven. Devalok, Amarpuri. 20th, Samp, Sarp, Nag. Samp means snake. Sarp, snake. Nag, snake. Mitra means friend. Vriksha means tree. Stri means woman. Swarg, heaven. Samp, snake. Okay, children? So you have to write 3 times each word. Okay? Thank you. Namaskar.